You know, I want to let out a little secret, and that is that property doesn't excite me that much. Property doesn't excite me that much. I do like property, but here's the thing. For me, property is a vehicle, and it's a vehicle that can get you places. And it's the same with training. I don't really enjoy training that much. I don't enjoy standing on the stage and training. It's a vehicle, and it's a vehicle to see people's results. And ultimately, what it's about is it's about change lives, and it's about having a rippling effect of people being financially free to then do what they love. I mean, I can sit here working out formulas all day long on how to make money and teach people how to make money, but it's not even about money. Money's not the end goal. It's about money's a vehicle, property is a vehicle, teaching people is a vehicle, but a vehicle for what? What is it a vehicle for? What's the end goal? We had some footage of a recent crash course, and we've put something together, and I want you to watch this right now because it gives me goosebumps watching it, because seeing some of the women as well. So I know I have a lot of guy followers, but we need more women on a mission, changing lives, wanting to help the needy, change the world, leave a legacy. So I want you to watch this. This is some of the stuff that happens at some of our events and some of our training events, and this is as a result of the figures, of learning about property, of being able to make money, but this is kind of a bit more what the end goal is like. So if you were there at this recent crash course, some of you ladies are powerhouses, and I'm really excited to be part of your journey and to see you changing other people's lives as well. Enjoy.
Property investors.
We hear you.
We see you.
And I'm not talking about the dead bricks and mortar, I'm talking about you guys. It is such a loving room, and you've got a lot of support here. A lot of support. I'll support you. You guys, you and your husband are coming on to do further training with us, and you're coming on to do the academy. I know in 12 months' time your life's going to be so much more different.
My mission is for others. I've been given a mission for others. And my mission is to give people a hope and a future. Doesn't matter what your world looks like, we're just called to close our eyes, look up and continue forward. You cannot look at what's around you. You cannot. If you have a passion inside, let it burn and just go with it. Shut your eyes if you can't see it's real. Close your eyes and run towards that passion.
I will help families in India and Pakistan with the recent earthquake. I'm going to make it happen.
I started already deal sourcing last night.
I believe it.
Do you?
I do, I honestly do.
You can. You can. There's nobody else says you can't. Your life was gifted to you. You choose what you do with it.
And I'm saving money already to become compliant so I can do deal sourcing.
We actually called agents, we looked for deals, we did the numbers. It is brilliant. I don't know what else I can recommend. You know, for a free 2-day course, this is mind blowing. To be honest, I'd recommend it to anybody, any day.
If you've got a dream,
A goal. A vision.
It doesn't matter what job you have.
Or how old you are. All it takes is that first curious step.
Be brave.
Take action.
Share your story.
start your property journey with us.
Come to the crash course. We'll see you there.
Now you might be thinking, you know what, that is so happy, clappy, cheesy. I don't want to do all that nonsense. I just want to learn about property. Listen, there's a reason you want to learn about property. There's something bigger. And at the crash course, of course, you're going to learn all about property, but also there will be opportunities for people at times to share what their real purpose is and what their real reason is. So if you're watching this video, I believe you're here right now for a reason, and this is your time. So get yourself, if you've not been, come to a Property Investors Crash Course. It's free. I want to see your life changed. So there's a link right here. Get yourself booked on. And if you're uncomfortable or you're worried, as a successful person, you need to be comfortable getting uncomfortable, especially you ladies. Get booked on. I can't wait to see you. I can't wait to see what happens as a result of you being at the Property Investors Crash Course.